Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to claim voucher codes on Binance in 2025. If you're looking to grab extra rewards or bonuses, this is the method you don't want to miss. So let's get started. First, open your Binance app. On the home screen, you might notice a rewards hub icon right there. That's your shortcut to all your vouchers, but don't worry if you don't see it. Just tap the hamburger menu in the top left corner. From there, you'll find Rewards Hub in the menu. Once you're inside the Rewards Hub, go to My Vouchers. Here, you'll see all the codes you've received. To claim one, simply click Use. And just like that, you'll see reward activated, mission accomplished. Your voucher is now successfully applied and any bonuses or rewards will be credited to your account. It's really that simple. No complicated steps, no extra apps, just a few taps and your voucher is ready to go. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Binance tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.